slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Okay, sir. You can start the class.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, what is the meaning of CNC? That is, already last class we had discussed about that. CNC means it's a computer numerical control. Yeah.
Mhm.
CNC means this is computer numerical control. What is the meaning of this computer numerical control? Any idea about the CNC, computer numerical control? I am asking, what is the meaning of this computer numerical control?
So I think the computer moves or works with the numbers,
Yeah.
and yes, yes, computer moves with the numbers.
Yeah. That is,
Okay, that's it.
in this CNC, that is in programming lab, maximum will be using the numbers, numerical. Okay. Only based on the numerical that will be. That is, computer numerical control. CNC, computer numerical control. Nothing but if you see the programming, if you watch the programming means everything will be numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see in the mission, okay, if you notify in the mission now, everything will be numbers now. 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, something numbers up to 99 or some x minus 40, x minus 50, y minus 30, y minus 50, g01, g02, g03, like this. But everything will be 99% will be this numbers now. That is known as numerical. Okay.
Mhm.
Now this number will feed in machine. Will be inputting in machine. This numbers 01, g01, g02, g03, something will feed in machine. From the machine will come commands. It will transfer just like commands. From them
Mhm.
you'll be getting an output. This is known as
Mhm.
CNC, computer numerical control. Okay. All the commands will be on numeric. This numerical will feed machine. That is just like a computer will feed. From then it will transfer to machine. From machine convert into commands, and then you will get a output. This is known as CNC, computer numerical control. Okay. And then basically to take main two types of machines. What are the two types of machine now? One is CNC lathe machine, another one is CNC milling machine.
Milling.
Yeah, hear about that? CNC lathe machine and CNC milling machine.
Yes.
Yes, that is turning center.
Yes.
CNC lathe means this is known as turning center. Okay. Okay, now if you want to, you can copy this. Okay, now first you will see about CNC lathe. Lathe. It's nothing but a, we say, turning center. Okay, CNC lathe means this is known as turning center. Okay, basically we will say CNC lathe machine. It's nothing but a turning center. Technically, we will say turning center. In this, basically, if you take turning center, two axes. Okay, what are those two axes?
Um, it's the X and Z.
Yes. This, what are the two axes means? X and
X,
Z axis.
Z.
Yeah. These are the two axes in CNC turning machine. Now, common. Okay, if you take common, this is just what we say what common.
Mhm.
This workpiece, and then this is known as job.
Dos. So,
Yeah. Now, we'll be fixing a tools. Now,
mhm.
this one, as per CNC lathe, workpiece will be rotating. Yeah, you can remember that is.
Yes.
If you see the turning machine, the job workpiece will be rotating. Workpiece will be rotating, and then tool will be moving.
Mhm.
This direction is known as Z axis. If the tool horizontal method. This is known as Z axis. When the tool moves up and down, this is known as X axis. Okay, just nothing but.
Okay.
Now this is the workpiece. Now the workpiece rotating. Tool is here. Now if the tools moves in this method, this is known as Z axis. When the tool moves up and down, this is known as X axis. Only these two axes. Based on these two axes, the total every program will do the program with the basic simple 10th mathematics. Okay, simple schooling mathematics, nothing but a graph. This is the graph,
Mhm.
X and Z axis. This is known as axis. We will be saying axis or we'll say the directions. Okay, directions. In which two direction? In X direction and Z direction, we will be moving. Okay, basic concept of the CNC workpiece. Okay, this is what maximum if you take in CNC lathe machine, we'll be using three jaws chuck. Okay, yes, this is three jaws. Jaws is nothing but a work holding device. Okay, and two workpiece, and then tool will be moving. Tool will be moving in X axis and Z axis. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next, we'll see about CNC milling. Okay, CNC milling. CNC milling is nothing but we'll say vertical, that is machining center. Technically, we'll say machining center. We'll say this is known as machining center. Okay, we'll say machining center. In the CNC milling machine, three axes. What are these three axes means? X, Y, and Z. Okay, axis is X, Y, and Z axis. These are the three axes: X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. Now, Okay, this is the table, mission table. If you take mission table, this movement will be x-axis. If you take a mission table, if it's moving left and right means this is x-axis. So and then front and back. This is y-axis. Yes, am I right?
Yes, all right.
If you see in mission when it's moving front and back, it will be y-axis, and then left and right will be x-axis.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. When the tool moving, this is known as z-axis. The tool moves up and down. Okay, this is z-axis. The table moving front and back. Front and back means this is y-axis. Left and right means z-axis. Okay, these are the three axes we'll be using CNC milling machine. That is machining center. Okay, this type is known as VMC. Okay, in VMC, this is the procedure. Table will be moving in this direction, left and right direction. Now, this is x-axis, front and back direction. This is y-axis. Tool up and down movement. This is z-axis. Okay, it's a VMC. VMC means vertical machining center.